Hey, I got my Harley Benton. I did some upgrades on it. Put a new P90 in there, made by Jonesy Blues. David Jones, he's out of Indiana. Website is jonesyblues.com. He custom wired that for me and put in some, he made a wiring harness for me too. I haven't got the knobs for it yet, so we're dealing with just the nubs there. But the knobs are on order. They will come in. They will look killer as usual. So I've got some thumb bleeders on there, just waiting for the knobs. So this is a hand-wired P90. Measured about 8.15, I believe, when he made it. So it's not extremely hot, but just right. So I'm going to run through some sound demos. I wired this, or I soldered it myself, which the last time I did that, I was standing in front of 5,000 people, and one of the solders gave way, and the guitar wasn't working. And it was lovely. Lovely. Nothing like standing there and feeling like an idiot, but I made it through. So hopefully, I double checked these solders and I think I got it right this time, so we'll see. So I'll run through some clean, run through some crunch, run through some metal, or clean, rhythm, crunch, metal, all the stuff I normally do in these videos. So basically volume and tone, that's all you got. So we'll run through it and go. So we'll start with the clean. Drop that tone down just about halfway. Alright, let's add some rhythm to this bad boy. Reduce the treble a little bit, drop it down. Back up everything's on 10 again. All right, let's send it over to crunch here. A little noisy. I wonder if that's... Let's see. Probably have to noise gate it. I did put shielding in there and everything's grounded, so that's a little... I judge everything, especially with the P90s, how the A chord sounds. And how responsive that is when you're chugging it. Yeah, that responds really nice. Yeah, the A and the E chords, how it responds to that is always... Oh, that's good. Okay, kind of do metal. This isn't a test of effects, so I'm trying to leave those off there. The only thing I got on there, I got a little bit of a compressor on there right now and a tube screamer on top of a JCM 900. So. Well done, David. Well done.